Thank you to Westpac Lifestyle for sponsoring this episode. This video is brought to you by Westpac Lifestyle, but more on them later.
Hey guys, we're on an outing today, and what a beautiful day it is. I'm Des, and this is Sort and Style. Guys, so my bestie's aunt is moving, and I couldn't call myself a bestie if I didn't bring some organization to her move. So I thought I would raid my sponsor again and get some supplies. I'm back at Westpac. Okay, good. Ma'am, sorry. Can you just look after my camera while I go inside quickly to go shopping quickly?
Okay, sure. No problem. I'll watch you on YouTube. I'm a really big fan.
Oh, that's so cool. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. You must watch more. Okay, but thank you. I'll be back now. Thank you. Hello.
There are a couple of essentials you need when moving, and one of them is a must-have. You always need dustbin bags. There's going to be a load of purging and getting rid of clutter. Trash bags are a must. Now these containers are very cool. They stack very easily and are also modular. If it's big storage you want, Westpac Lifestyle have a variety that can suit your needs.
Ooh, this is quite cool. If you're moving into a new house and you need extra shelving for your garage, cool thing about this is that it's modular, so you can customize it for your space. And they come in different widths as well, so. Some help, yeah, please. Please, can someone help me? Sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks. Such nice stuff, yeah.
I'll tell you more about this a little later.
Guys. Now I really can't see. Is this all gonna fit?
Don't worry. That's what Westpackers are about. Okay, Freeman, let's start and do our thing. Things fit.
So I'm packing this for my bestie's auntie. She's
You want busy
moving.
lady?
Yeah. Can I put you down to help her move?
Me?
Yeah, can you
Actual.
move?
You
Actual
mad, you. What you can do is send her here, please, and we'll help her with more storage stuff or just
Questions?
anything she needs. We'll just ask for power.
Thanks. I know I can always count on you, Paulo.
Always.
Paulo.
That's what we're here for. I told you not to stress.
Check it that out. Okay guys, we're on our way. I feel really good about our shop, and I think Paulo is going to, he's going to be there. He's going to help out. I can almost guarantee it. And I've also got some really good tips for moving, so check that out when we get there. Guys, so you'll see like the things that we got here for the move is not really like your normal boxes, moving boxes and all that. What we've done is we've tried to be more practical and thinking future, thinking ahead. So once you have moved, like, we've got the boxes for you to organize and your storage and things like that. So it's an investment in your future. So always a good thing. How are you? Good to see you as well.
Gorgeous.
I got some good stuff for you.
Oh, wow.
Ta-da. It all fits.
Awesome.
Okay, just a quick update on who Auntie Barbs is. She is, of course, the aunt of my YouTube bestie, Vivian, from Your Easy Chef. And she's the author of the novel, Get Out Now. What you might not know is that Auntie Barbs and I acted in a South African sci-fi film together called Taking Earth. Here she is. Here I am. The auntie, the Des. We had a lot of fun and she's an incredible actress. Okay, let's get moving.
You brought a chair?
Yes, I did. I've been on one of these shoots before.
It would be 3 or 4 hours max.
Exactly.
Auntie Barbs, I heard you moving, so I brought some stuff from Westpac to hopefully help you with your move.
That's awesome. And please call me Barbs.
Okay. Yeah, so Auntie Barbs, I think that these will really help. And let me show you what I got you.
Take it away. Dazzle me.
So you'll notice all the packaging that I got is not typical for a normal move. But what I thought is, like, you could use it, we had future mind in mind, you know. You can use all of the stuff in your home once you've moved for storage and stuff like that.
So cool.
So this is for, you know, you can put that in your garage, storage in your garage, and it's like each shelf can take up to 50 kilograms.
Wow.
So altogether, 250 kilograms in this whole set, and it's like modular, so you can like customize it to your space. I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, Westpac Lifestyle. So get down to one of their nationwide stores and check out this amazing brand. Thanks, Westpac Lifestyle. Back to the video. Then we have these crates, which are really cool. Can keep, you know, can move things with this, but also they fold down. Yeah, so it's easy to store away. Or if you, I know that people use it for they keep it in their car, and then when they go shopping, they just put the stuff in there because you don't buy, you don't want to buy packets anymore. Trying to keep the environment healthy. And then these are shoe storage containers for your shoe boxes, for your shoes, shoe boxes.
Nice.
These are very nice, so you know your shoes can look very cool, but also you can put things in when you move. Okay, I use these. Auntie Bob's. Auntie Bob, did you fall asleep?
I'm so sorry. I had such a late night last night. I was in bed by 8:30. Oh, I'm so tired. But I'll pay attention now. It's very interesting.
Yeah, sure. Can we get Auntie Bob some coffee, please?
Hello, Barbara.
Hello.
Why am I here?
Thank goodness, back up.
We're learning what do we need for packing. I'm not going to pack alone. You can help me. And this is so interesting. And she knows everything about all these products. You should have charged an entry fee.
I'm thinking about it. Okay, the next one I want to show you is, let me move this here. Is these kind of storage boxes. So this is obviously good for the move, but again, and what's great about it is it's see-through. It's clear, so you can see what's inside them.
I like that.
And again, for storage, once you're in your home, again, you can pack things away and you can see what's in them, so that's great. And this one especially, it's nice and big, so you can put a lot of stuff in it, but it's going to be quite heavy. But it's got wheels at the bottom, so it's quite cool.
I like that.
So that's going to make things easier for you. Okay, then obviously some black bags as well, because when you move, you always throw things away. You end up throwing some things away.
What do you throw away?
You.
I take it, you don't throw things away.
I do. I do throw things away.
Then, obviously, okay, more of these storage things. This one's quite cool because it's, you can like kind of organize your stuff. It's got like compartments.
Dividers.
And then if you want to you can actually change, if you want a bigger compartment, these things actually move. These dividers move, so you can make them bigger or smaller for the things that you need to put in.
Now, what do you want
So
to
that's
put in
quite
there?
handy.
Just wait and see.
Okay, and then I really like this Addis range because they've thought about everything. They've got like these are all modular, so they all stack up on top of each other, you know, and you can store different things in them, so I love it.
Very nice.
They just come in like a range of different sizes and shapes, so they're really handy.
Cool.
Okay, what's next?
So Des, so far, I'm going to take all of this.
Auntie Bob's, I'm giving all of this to you.
Giving it to
Yeah.
me? Wow. Thanks, Des.
Well, Westpackers.
Thank you, Westpac.
Okay. Okay, then we have these vacuum bags, which are really, I thought these were really cool for a move because when you move, you know, space is always important. So these get reduced to a third of the size.
Wow.
And then it like protects whatever inside for your clothes and your duvets, pillows, linen, all that kind of stuff. It reduces your footprint when you're moving in the car or truck, so it protects your clothes then at the same time, clothes
Very
and
nice.
stuff. So you can use this. You get like a cube one for pillows.
Oh, lovely.
This one is like a hanging one for your clothes, which is quite
Nice.
handy. Yeah.
I like
So
that.
your thing, you know, like your jackets and all
Yeah.
that can still stay on the hanger, protected. And when you get to your house, you just open it up and it's in your closet already.
Fantastic.
So those are quite handy. And then these are really great for like, I thought for like toiletries and stuff like that. And it's also really nice to put in your bathroom once you've moved. So these storage containers are really
They look nicely stackable.
handy, and they're stackable, exactly. So you can stack them quite high, which is quite nice. You can put a lot of them on, and you get different sizes, different widths. So I like these, and they're different colors as well. So
Color coordinated.
correct. Then the last one, I thought like a little drawer. It's always handy to have these drawers. So, you know, these things can stack up on top of each other, but you always have to move it down. So this is nice. You just, if you need something quickly, like stationery or whatever, you can just put it in there and take it out. So again, great for once you've moved in, you know, storage, but then you can put things in it when you're moving.
Very nice. And it's got wheels.
And that's it.
Well done. Thank you, Des.
Auntie Bobs, good luck with your move. I hope you find most of the stuff useful for you, and I just wish you good luck with your new place.
Thanks, Des.
Okay, I'm off. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye guys. Bye Auntie Bob. Bye.
Thank you, Des.
Keep well. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
Drive safely.
I will. Thank you.
Yes. She forgot her camera.
Oh, no.
Hello.
She's gone.